These bad bitches here. Cold on today, lads.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Get your first two services free. 7.9.
We didn't film first thing because the battery's dead in this thing. But we're back in Llanona, and yeah, you might have remembered this job. So the joists are on. So what, we're in the third week of January now. We finished this ready for joists maybe a couple of weeks before Christmas. Joiner put the joists down, but they didn't put the floorboards down because they don't want to leave them exposed over Christmas, which is fair enough. One of the joiners was on holiday after Christmas, so there's only one. So it was ready for us. We had bad weather, so it was ready for us last Thursday. So I was doing little bitty jobs last week, so start on a Monday, and we're going for it. So we stacked out this morning, and Joe has had. Did you have a flattener? Nearly had a flattener because there's all ice on this. So okay, I'll tell you what we're doing. So Craig and Joe were on this side here. Been doing the beam fill. Beam fill here, and then we probably do, well, the scaffolders need to come put a crash deck in there because that is not safe at all. And then Jack and Ed are on this plot here. They had a few days last week, but the weather was so bad and they'd had a blowdown, to be honest with you, as well. So yeah, we'll get going. This thing is an absolute machine on the beam fill. Look, all these cuts ready made. Snowing. Snow is falling. I'm laying bricks, blocks even. Look at that. Aye. Mountains are covered in snow. So anyway, lads have built the blocks here. We've done some beam fill. I didn't have any lunch, didn't bring any food with me, so I'm just going to work through my lunch because I haven't got any food. So ready to roll there. I'm just doing this bit. Scaffolder's been here to see what the crack is, and yeah, jobs are good. Not much, nothing exciting, just getting blocks down really. Highlight is that there's snow, if you can even call it snow. It's just thinking then, right? You know, if people always ask you if you're a builder, oh, you're busy, and it's like, yeah, we're always busy because you have to be busy. Do you know what I mean? Anyway, what are you doing now? What I'm trying to say is, this is classic example where, you know, there's been 5 weeks. Don't get me wrong, there's, you know, a week over Christmas, but 5 weeks since we've actually been here working properly. Now we can be paying my bills for 5 weeks, so it's like a classic example. Oh, these builders always take on too much work. They've got a job here, job there, and they always, yeah, we have to, because we get let down and nobody really cares about our mortgage except for us. So, you know, whoever's screaming at you, I need you there now, because the scaffolders, which have taken 2 weeks to do it, and the joiners, which have taken 2 weeks, but now it's ready for you. I want it there now. Okay, yeah, I'll just drop everything else I'm doing. You know, this material, oh, it's on delay, special order. It's gonna take 6 weeks. 6 weeks. Oh yeah, thanks for that. Right, have you got? Are you gonna pay my wages for 6 weeks whilst I wait? No, they're not. So nobody owns me, or if you're a self-employed person or this and that, nobody owns you. These companies that think that they own you because they pay your wages, they do not own you. They do not own you. They think they do because their job is the most important job in the world, but it's not. The most important job in the world is put money into your own bank to feed your family. Now if your job is on delay, I've had, listen to this one, I had this one, that job in Trowel Bay. So, oh, the joiner's not coming for 5 weeks. Oh yeah, I've got it up to Joyce now. Oh yeah, the joiner's not coming for 5 weeks. 5 weeks? You give me a price to build a house. It wasn't a great price. I took it because, you know, because that's what we do. So 85 weeks ended up being 10 weeks, and then when the joiner was finishing, I'd said, oh, they might have to wait 2 weeks for me because I'm on a job. Sometimes you have to get it to a certain stage before you can come off. Phone call off the managing director of that company saying, if you're not there next week, I'll get someone else in. Hold on a minute. So that 10 weeks that I've just been sitting at home waiting for this job to happen? No. So I don't know why I was saying all this, but it's just, you know, for example, this job I'm on now, 5 weeks, for at least 4 or 5. Bear in mind Christmas, I understand, you know, I was waiting on other trades, whatever, but that's the reality of it. And then the guy we're building for over here said, oh, I don't want to go into it, but I told him, look, we'll do it, we'll get this up to your roof or wall plate in 2 weeks, easy. Ed's going on holiday. Oh, it's not good enough. What am I doing now? So this is what you're dealing with. People that just think that their little job is the most important job in the world. It is to them, and you know, we might blast a job. Oh, sorry, you can't get that. Oh, I didn't order enough. It's your problem, mate. You know, I'm on another job next week. You're gonna have to wait for me. Oh. So, for anyone out there thinking, oh God, gotta please this one, gotta please this one, you please yourself, mate. Money in the bank. End of story. Water's frozen, eh?
Is it?
Yeah.
Fucking nightmare. Is it bad at bunker?
Huh?
Is it smooth bad at bunker?
No.
Not too bad.
No. Where are you working today?
Well, that firm there, the one to the door.
Oh yeah.
That firm. There's like rooms and therapy students, like a B&B, yeah?
Oh yeah?
Like 4 separate on streets, like rooms.
Have you been there for the jar?
No, there's not a jar though. Don't you, Jar? Have a jar, then you break you. Hey, I'm happy, yeah?
Yeah. What is this? What is this? What even is this? What even is this? Love it. Love it. Especially when they all go down your back. Look. Come on, get down back. Farmers look at me. Why has he got a blowtorch in his hand? I got him trapped. Right, better to be safe than sorry. All it is that box is still a little bit cold. I just want something to warm my hands up, really. This thing, yeah, I love it, baby. Oh, baby. Right, so what we're saying is, oh god, it's that, oh, it's burning the scaffold. Oh, it's smoking. Yeah, basically, because these are lightweight solids and they're like dense solids, they're just a little bit, to make sure that they're not frozen being laid. Better to be safe than sorry. Yeah, so there you are. Magic. Magic. Not another one. Another dark cloud coming there, Sean.
It's not a rain cloud.
It's a what?
This is not a rain cloud.
Why, what is it then? Snow cloud. Got to open a purpose out here. So you've got extra bit of gobbo on the block. Think about it, yeah. Like, just like a robot. Filming a robot working is probably the most boring thing ever. However, people would want to watch it. You see the size of it, man. You needed a 4x4 to get it out. Anyway, I'm not an ist. What's an ist? A fattest, racist, ageist, feminist, yeah. Oh, feminist. Oh, you're a feminist, are you? What? Does that mean you don't swallow? Hey, been like this, yeah, about 6 times today. Just black cloud with snow and whatever you want to call it, hailstone or whatever. We've had some snow, hasn't stuck. Stop now. Start again in a minute. Stop, start. Hold on. Food you want to have after a hard day's work. We got a tape measure. This one. Smile, you're on camera.
Don't be going all wanking over that.
Water! Stiff this, isn't it, Sean? Stiff. Come here. No, I need to speak to you for a minute.
What?
I need to speak to you. Come here.
Yeah, go on.
I'll set this here so we can have a nice, honest conversation.
Yeah, go on.
You ready?
Yeah.
Right. Right. Sean, where's my tape? Down there? What's it doing down there? Hold on a minute. Hold on. You just gotta get it. Okay, listen. This is what I want to ask. Sean here, when he started, yeah, such a good lad, okay? He bought himself a toolbox like mine. Hammer, bolster. Don't go away. Tape.
You want your tape?
Yeah. Come here. Be honest now to the camera. To the viewers. Okay, just answer me this, okay? That toolbox in the van, yeah? When was the last time you went into it?
Oh, there's nothing in it.
There's nothing in it.
Part.
You lost those. I reckon you should get your toolbox back in order. I did with mine. It's like, honestly, it's like getting reborn once your tools are in order. Can I have my tea, please? Cheers, mate. Bye. Have a nice day. Is this bit you, Sean? No. Do you go to Star Wars? See Star Wars? Was it? It's the name of the bloke in Star Wars that has his hood on. The Sith.
Oh. Darth Vader?
Nah.
Skywalker?
No. The guy that plays like the Chancellor, isn't it? Graham was saying now it's like Teletubby land being up here this morning.
Hello. Spot on.
Oh, smile.
Hey. Don't see this very often, do you? Oh, we're enough for spot bots.
Horrible. Ooh. Oh, winner. £10 off a £2 scratch card. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. You want a hand, fellas?
No.
No? You got this. Yeah. Righty, so let's see what the crack is here. So this is the wall plate height on this side. This is the stairwell. It's a weird roof, to be honest with you. So there's a purlin to come in here somewhere. The joiners are down here today setting the wall plates on the steels. And then they're going to put a pattern on, so they're going to work out the padstone height at the top and for the purlin and the pattern. So this is the wall plate height here. Wall plate height, I've taken this blockwork of course too high, so I need to take this blockwork out because it'll clash with the timbers. So we've taken that up much as we can before trestles, really. Probably could take it more, but because it's single, well, Craig's backing it up now. Joe's done these here, so probably get some trestles up. I don't want to do too much in case the wind blows them over. And we're up to scaffold height outside, so can't really back it up. So there's a 6-inch internal wall here to take the ridge beam and the purlin. So what we have to do now is cut some 70mm cuts to bring us back to gauge, and I don't know what is going on here. I might just put what is that? Any bricks up here? Oh, what have we got here? I might just put snap headers. 100mm. 100mm here, and then that is bring it back to there maybe. I might put some snap headers on that. Well, there won't be snap headers because snap headers are half, isn't it? But yeah. Right, unless we cut a block, which is 1, 2, 3. Anyway, yep, I'll let you know how we get on. So, when it was raining earlier, Joe had this little hut. Yeah? Did you go in your hut?
No.
Be gentle. In ownership with Standard Life. Welcome to Sky Vegas. Seriously free spins to use activity French shoulders. Before dozing off, it is very hard to see some of the
Section block, no problem. Oh yes! Right, I've had this issue before. You see there, looks like it's burnt, yeah? I've just had a new one of these on mine recently because I've had 2 of them on mine go. So yeah, it looks, that's what usually happens, it burns there. So there we have it, 3 days, 4 days. Mixer's playing up in the end, so wall plate ready to go. Oh. Scaffolders are here tomorrow. Do the scaffold lift. Little walk around here. Hey, good job on cleaning up, Sean. Looking good. Oh yes, oh yes. There you have it. We will see you tomorrow in Llangefni. Oh god, is that looking straight up? Yeah, it's looking alright that. What's going on here? What's this? Toolbox talk?
Yeah, right.
I've had that here. You know when you go to like a car show and everyone's got the cars lined up. So what they've got here is they're seeing which one's the best chop saw. What have we got?
Demonstration.
What have we got here,
New
Gary?
makita.
Brand new one.
Yeah.
What's that? LXC
36 volts.
36 volt. How much that set you back?
I don't know. 1,100 quid in total.
1,100
with
quid
batteries and that.
Batteries and that. Okay, and whose is this one?
The lands.
And this one's the X
40 volts.
40 volts. Dol, come over here. And whose is this one?
Kevin's.
Kev's.
6 volt, biggest lane.
Ooh. Ooh. It's like when you go to the car show, yeah? And everyone's got their cars lined up. Yeah?
What do you like the Lamborghini?
Lamborghini. What's this one? Lamborghini.
Blow with 50 mil, everyone.
Oh, this will be great, this.
That fucking V6 gone with.
V6 we got here. She done you well. Oh yeah. How much we talking for one of these, Dol?
Can't remember, to be honest. About 700 quid, I think.
700. Wow.
Battery's about 140 quid.
140 quid for a battery. Right. It's Friday morning. We've just had our tool talk. Just spanner. Right. What we're doing today is. Alright, Craig. You okay, yeah? So you and Joe gonna hammer the front. I'll go on a gable end with Sean or something. Yeah, The back's up to height, yeah?
Yeah, he was just needs one stack work.
Oh yeah, I'll stack the top now and we'll get going, innit? What have we got here now? Right, connected. Yes. Nice. Let's go. Let's go like Donkey Kong. This is the sickest drop in house music history. Steve Lawler, Coma Coma. It's just one big builder. That's why I got the camera out really, just to see my reaction on my bass face. Hold it. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Where is it? Come on. The suspense is killing me. Oh my god, come on. That is all. Watch the wall, will you? Come on now. Fucking shit.
The wind's gonna pull it down.
Oh, what a beautiful day in.
Do you recall not long ago when you would walk on the sidewalk? And I still remember all we did was care for each other. But the night was warm, we were bold and young. All around, the wind blows, we would only hold on to let go. Look, it's fire gun, we need someone to lean on. Look, it's fire
Who's turned up here? My brother, little G lad. So he's turned up about 3:30 and he just said that he's going to give us a hand stacking blocks, didn't you?
I did,
Did, go on, they're over there. Go to work on. Right, so that is it. Yeah, that's it, yeah. That's it for the week. It's what, 4:15 Friday in a glorious Llangefni. Look, you can even see the mountains from here. You've got local landmarks. Pinkraig. I don't want to say too much, but it is pretty much smack head central over there. And yeah, otherwise it's a nice little neighbourhood. Anyway, so we've probably done right to here. Just ran out of gear really, so let's count up the courses. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 13, 14 courses, which is okay. I've had a bit of a day where I'm modding a lot. So yeah, that's it. Should we go and see them over there or what? Need a toilet. So anyway, over and out. See you next week. What we do next week? Oh yeah, meant to be in like 1, 2, 3, at least 3 places at the same time. So that should be fun for my stress levels. So we got to finish this house. There's a bungalow down over there we need to start. Meant to start a conservatory in Llanfairpwll, Gwingis, and I've got oh yeah, Llandonna patterns going up Tuesday. Probably could be back Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday over there. Do the conservatory Monday or Tuesday. Probably go there Tuesday or Monday. Anyway, 3 jobs, possibly, and then I'm starting another job a week after. Matty's with us. Right, see you later.